Welcome to Philly Concrete and Asphalt Paving Incorporated. Philly Concrete and Asphalt Paving Incorporated is a locally owned concrete and paving contractor located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania since 1996. We provide all types of concrete for work and asphalt services for both commercial and residential establishments. For over 23 years, we have been providing concrete for sidewalks, driveways, loading docks, structural and foundation work, patios, and more. When it comes to your private property, we also supply the underlying work for your parking, including the waterline, sewer, and pipeline installation for your ease. As a proud BBB member and licensed in-home improvement by the state, we offer our customers a free estimate. Call or visit us for more information.